Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new video. So check it out. Right in front of us, we have another Atlantis kit, the Pie Wagon, Tom Daniel, one Cherry Ride. Let's go ahead and unbox this. But before that, let's look at the side artwork right here. Really beautiful, very cool stance. Then we got the top artwork right there. Bam. Let's get the hobby knife and open this up. We're gonna take a look at what's inside in this kit, because this is the next one that I will be building here on the channel. Should be a fun one. All right, enough of that. Let's take off all the plastic here. All right, guys, let's put this away. Won't be needing that, so let's see what's inside. Woo! All right, right off the bat, we have a set of the water slide decals, and these are all pre-cut, as you can see there. Really nice stuff right here. This is cool. I'll set this here. We also got a set of the tires right there. There's the inside and the outside, and we got some more right here. Oh, here we go. There. So those go in there. I couldn't see them from back here. Then we got the glass bagged up right there. And we also have some gold parts here for this build. And chrome. So combination of gold and chrome. And I'll flip this around. So that's the back side. Let me see if I can scoot this over so you guys can see the wheels. There's the wheels. The chrome looks very nice. I don't see from right here any type of flash or anything major. Everything looks pretty good right here. So we got a combination of both. Here is the other front wheel right there. And let's see here. What looks like the instructions. Let's see. The Pie Wagon. All right. So this is just like an insert card. This is pretty cool. Here are the instructions. Right here. Man, just look at that stance. All right. So, oh, look at this layout. Really nice. It's all explained. It's very basic. Cool stuff. Here we are. So we start here. This is number 1. And then over here, continue on to number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Man, this could be a poster at the end. And then we have the different stances. The cool, neat thing is this back door, this back compartment. You could open that up. You can see the pies in there. That's pretty cool. I'm really digging that right there. And all right, now let's get to the good stuff. The meat and potatoes right here. We got the body. Oh yeah, it's already, molded in this. It looks like a pink, magenta color. Very similar to the box artwork right there, right? Whoa, this is cool. Here, let's bust it out. We gotta bust out. Can't keep you guys waiting. All right, sweet. So let's take a look here. Whew. Here's the top part of the body right there. It's a trip, this little arch. The way it almost looks like a wave right there. And then just, I could already imagine the stance of it. And then this is the bottom portion of the shell of the car. So this would sit right there. Like this. Obviously, I have to remove it from the tree. And bam. And then, oh, there's the pies. What? There they are. To be detailed and all that good stuff. So that's cool. And then this is it. Wow. Okay, cool. This should be a fun one. Here's the interior. Here we have the seats, the engine right here. And, you know, I already have a color in mind already from House of Color. It will be in a pink, magenta, you know, type of color. I'm going to try to go about doing it close to the way it looks here in the image, you know. I really like how it's lighter right here. I mean, I know it's pink, I know it's a drawing. You know, it's almost like if the sun's hitting it or something, but man, I don't know. I know I'm gonna have fun with this one right here for sure. So this is the Pie Wagon, Tom Daniel. It should be a fun one. Using all the chrome parts along, you know, with the gold. I know this looks like a little briefcase, and then all these other, you know, accents like the shifter, this front grill right there. You know, all that stuff's gonna be in gold, which is fine. You know, bam. I think the original one has all chrome right there, but it's really cool. Something in a gold right here. Two combinations, and man, just putting this together, it should be a fun one. So, you know, when I get started on this build, I'm gonna be pretty much recording everything, and we're gonna build along. So for those of you that are out there that also are interested in getting this kit, we do have it on our website, scaleriders.com. We do have it available, and I will be building this. And if you guys are building along, let's have some fun building this kit. And in case if you see this video, you know, months or years later, and you're building this one, I hope you have some fun as well. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for the support. Take care.